already see my pussy. You are gonna, you know.
Wait, take off the towel.
Okay, hold on. Just wait a minute. I will gonna hold up. Hold on, babe. I will put.
I'm waiting.
Okay, that's good. Punta mo, punta mo ba?
Sana
Ay,
all.
tanaw din ha. Are you ready to see my pussy? Okay. Oh my god. I want to surprise you. Do you see?
You have to see with your fingers so I can see inside.
Oh, you want to see my pussy? Open. Open like that.
You have to move the camera down so I can see it clearly.
Like that?
Move your hand away so I can see it.
Okay, sure.
I can only see your hand.
Hello. Where's mine?
Your hand is blocking it.
Check that. Do you see it?
No, not yet.
Do you see it?
No, I can't see it.
You want to see the inside of my pussy? It's so hard to see. Oh my god, do you see it? Because it's so dark. Oh, my pussy is dark too.
Sweetheart, if you have a penis, you should show me your penis.
No, of course I don't have. I'm not gay. Hello. Oh God, there's that. Here. Tell me, honey, are you straight or no?
Of course I'm straight.
That's good. Like that, do you see it? Because my hair is so long. That's why you can see the inside of my pussy. I will shave it for you tomorrow. It's okay. Do you see it already, love?
I can't see it. I guess you'll have to shave it sometime.
Okay, I will. This one. This one. Do you see it?
No, can't see it.